goes to freshwater pools, the cool breeze, the rainforest, the sandy beaches. Annalie happily and proudly tells the world that Tonga is your destination. A place to bath in the palm trees and swim in crystal clear water. Wrapped respectfully in a sarong that represents everything natural and beautiful about Tonga. The multitude of colors flow along the sarong like springs and waves, and the blue sky above throws its reflection upon the sea and the rivers. Annalie dedicated her sarong to all the children of the world and people living with disability. She believes that bright colors put smiles on everyone's faces.
Mai mato